Good morning amigos and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the present tense in Spanish. Let's take a look. In English, we conjugate the present tense like this. I speak, you speak, he speaks, we speak, you all speak, they speak, and you speak. However, the present tense conjugation in Spanish is a bit different. Let's take a closer look. The verbs that end with R in the infinitive form will have the following conjugation. Yo hablo, tú hablas, él habla, nosotros hablamos, ustedes hablan, ellos hablan y usted habla. The verbs that end with er in the infinitive form will have the following conjugation. Yo aprendo, tú aprendes, él aprende, nosotros aprendemos, ustedes aprenden, ellos aprenden y usted aprende. And the verbs that end with ir in the infinitive form will have the following conjugation. Yo vivo, tú vives, él vive, nosotros vivimos, ustedes viven, ellos viven y usted vive. Now let's take a look at some examples. I speak Spanish. Yo hablo español. You write a letter. Tú escribes una carta. He lives in Mexico. Él vive en México. We read a book. Nosotros leemos un libro. You learn guitar. Ustedes aprenden guitarra. They travel to Tijuana. Ellos viajan a Tijuana. You sing like a mariachi. Usted canta como mariachi. Now give it a try. Try to say the following sentences in Spanish. Congratulations, my friend! You have learned the present tense in Spanish. Take a look at the description of the video for some useful material. Hasta la próxima.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión